Ich erwarte, zumindest was ich schon gesehen habe vom Foto, ein beeindruckendes Auto. Ein fantastisches Design, glaube ich.
I'm really excited to see the new car. I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, perfect.
So time are changing. and the right thing to do now is to make an electrical racing car.
Unfortunately tonight he's not here because he had the race as he always has in the week.
Very good afternoon, everybody. Welcome. Bienvenue en France. Welcome here in Alès. Welcome to the world premiere of the new IDR Pikes Peak. It's Maren Braun. It's a pleasure to say hello to everybody, and I
Fight a lot to find the best compromise.
I would like to give the word to our host here today. He's the head of product communication at Volkswagen AG, and he's really keen on saying hello to you personally. So welcome to Florian Obic.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Maren. Warm welcome also from my side. Today is a very emotional and special moment for us. The world premiere of the IDR Pikes Peak marks the premiere of the first fully electric race car in the history of Volkswagen. Our IDR Pikes Peak has its very own fascination. I don't want to give away. And I want to clear the stage and give a warm welcome to Sven Smets and FX de Maison.
Thank you very much, Florian. Yes, welcome. Welcome, Sven Smets, FX de Maison.
I was a little bit skeptic in the beginning, but I've always believed in them, gave them the full credit.
So a lot of things you have to consider while building a car. How open, right? What are the goals set for this year, for your return to Pikes Peak?
Well, for our return, the goal is that we have
And show that already in the past you got... What are the goals set for this year, for your return to Pikes Peak?
Well, for our return, the goal is that we, of course, beat the electric record that is there from Reese Millen, that was done in 2016. And one of the reasons why we are going to Pikes Peak is also because we have this build to settle, you know. We've been really good in lots of disciplines. We've won Dakar, we won WRC Championship for 4 years. We've won the TCR title last year, and this is one that's open. So this one came very quickly on the project to go with an e-car so that we can settle that score too.
So, gentlemen, please take your positions. I will go to the side and you will take away the cover. Of course, we have prepared a little, like your music. No, wait. We have to ask first. Everybody ready? Here we go. You like it, huh?
The density of the air is going down, so to get
And once these photos are done, Orbit also should be part of the photo. And Jockey Klein, please join the team too. Jockey Klein, and he brought also his original car from then.
Yeah, it's a big day for all the team. I mean, we are showing finally our car for Pikes Peak, and we're all very excited and ready now to start testing with this car. So we are very proud of all our team to from tomorrow we will start testing here in Alès and then some in climbing roads around here. And next week we also have testing for the tires. So the next 2 weeks are only testing in Europe, and then we fly the car to US to start testing in the mythic road there and start. To be ready, start the preparation to be ready for the race end of June.
And I just give you. Here. See that? Sunny in Alès, huh? Yeah.
I have to say I'm very impressed. The car is, as everybody saw, very beautiful. It looks very aggressive. Already last year it was aggressive, but this time it's even more. So yeah, everything is positive. Now we have to go testing, you know. I'm like a young kid who gets a present for Christmas. So now let's go. Yeah, for sure. I born there, but I also born on this track a little bit. I design this track. I push all the time for this track. My workshop here, so to do this in Alès was it's very important for me, also for all the people here. You know, a lot of people are following me on the small city, and it's very cool for them also. So like that, we also will test the car on the road, and so on. We'll continue the week after to do some tire test development with Michelin. So yeah, a lot of testing now, and you know, it's the clock is running, and not only for lap time, but also to be ready for Pikes Peak.
You're looking forward.
C'est avec grand plaisir, et en plus bon, on va essayer la voiture ici toute cette semaine, donc ça va bien se passer. Je suis complètement confiant forcément en Volkswagen parce que je sais ce qu'ils ont fait avant, et j'ai la voiture ici, j'étais forcément très content. Comme tout le monde sait, je suis né ici.
Sunglasses.
That's a problem, huh?